Hi, I am back to do the last color in the Pride Flag Month. And the last color is green. I have my green shirt on today. And I am going to use Juvia's Place Culture and Culture 2. There's so many beautiful greens in there, so I'm going to use a couple of these greens. Okay, I'm ready to start. It's taking me a little while to start today. There's a lime green in there I'm going to take and just put above the crease closer to the brow bone. Using another big fluffy brush, and I'm going into the darkest green, and I am going to put it in the crease and above the crease to mesh with the first color. The green in the pride flag represents nature. Nature is something that we need to strive to be in daily, especially if we are stay-home parents, wives, work from home. Nature is something we have to strive to get into, even if it's in the backyard or in the park. Once you're outside, you're in nature. Fresh air is good for the lungs. Sitting inside all day breathing the same air from the AC is not a healthy thing. That's why nature is important for us. In culture 2, there is a light green. Well, I'll call it a medium green, considering what I have. I have light, dark. Now there's a medium green. I'm going to take that and put on the lids. With the same brush, I clean it up already. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Do not ever dim your light for another. My new book, which is called How Dementia Stole My Dad Away from Me. It is now on my website, which is called quiettimesreading.com. You can now purchase the book there. Also, leave your email address so when another book is ready to be available on the website, I will email and let you all know first. Thank you very much for all your support. I appreciate everything. And remember, green is for nature. Try to step into nature today, even though it's for 5 minutes. There is a very, very, very pretty shimmer, green shimmer. So I'm going to take them and put it on the lids. I did not use any glitter glue, but I'm just going to put a little bit of that green on my eyes. This green is so, so pretty. Without the shimmer, with the shimmer. Today's pride look, green, last color. We have made it to 6 colors in the pride flag. This is green. Green means nature. And I wrote, nature is something we have to strive to be in daily. Always know that I love you. Always trust yourself. This is the last color for today. But let us remember, love and unity is stronger than hate and jealousy. This, if you're looking at this look and you have not seen the purple, the blue, the red, the orange, or the yellow, please watch them. Celebrate Pride Month and just spread love. Love is a strong medicine. Hate is a destroyer of the soul. The palettes I use today are this Juvia's Place, Culture and Culture 2. They have all the greens in there you can think of, including the shimmer. My base today is the MAC New Formulation NW45 Press Powder Foundation. That's what I have on. I love it. This green is popping. Tell me what you think in the comments. Did I nail this green look or what? Okay. My book, which is called How Dementia Stole My Dad from Me, is now on my website called quiettimesreading.com. Please go there and support me. Every little bit you do helps me. I appreciate you kindly. Always know that you are loved. Never dim your light for another. Keep checking your numbers and making sure your numbers are getting better. Do the little bit that you can each and every day to improve your health. I will see you soon because I am still writing. I have so many books to write, but I'm going to try to at least do more than 2 videos a week. My lip color is called She is Royal by Juvia's Place. It is the liquid lip color. She is Royal. I will see you soon. Bye.